Kind of a short one today. I've got a vacuum cleaner here where the hose was getting stuck so you couldn't pull it out of the top. This is a Dyson DC33. So the problem was this tube, you couldn't pull this out. It gets stuck down inside this inner hose here. So I'll show you how I fixed it and got it working really good now. So the problem was when you push this hose would come up to about there. So you couldn't pull this tube out in order to get the hose out where you can put the wand on it and do your sealings and stuff like that. So if you push this, the whole thing comes out. I was able to push this button, release the bottom hose, and this is where it got stuck, and it would be like you'd have to pull this thing super hard to get it off. So what I did was clean this hose. The way you get this hose out is push this down here, pull this bottom piece off. So behind here is a little tab. Pull this towards you, pull this up, and this just slides out. Now you have your hose. So what I did was took this over to my sink, put water down this end, cleaned it out really good, put water down this end, expanded it, stretched it out. A ton of stuff came out of it. So I'll show you how I did that. One thing is make sure you have some sort of straightener in here because there's going to be a lot of dirt and lint that comes out of that hose. I already cleaned this one out, so I'm just doing this as a demonstration. Switch to the other end. Using hot water on this. Stretching this out. Once it starts getting clean, you'll see it start expanding easily by itself. Just put it in a U shape and let it fill up as much as it can. Do that back and forth about 5 minutes. Hot water. And you can see that this thing is really clean inside now. So let's go put it back together out in the garage. Okay, so we're going to put this end back on first, the bigger end with the hook on it. That goes like this side out. Just sits in there like that. Leave this here. Put your hose back on the bottom. And this just simply slips up under here. So just figure out which way it goes. This slips in there. Make sure it clips in. And we'll take our top piece, make sure this slides easily. It does. Pull that up. That piece back in. This slips back under till it clips in. Now, this is what it was not doing before. So that saves you buying a new hose. Fixed it for free. That works great. Let's go to the top first. You'll end up in the middle of the travel on the plug end. right there. See you all in the next one.